Like a castle over there. There's birds singing. I can't see them, but they're beautiful sounding. Rose garden. What is that on top? Wayne, that's alive. What is that? What is that bird on top? That's a magpie? No. That thing's huge.
It is.
Oh, cool. That's beautiful. Wayne's gonna see how close he can get up to this kookaburra. It's quite a pretty bird. Actually getting really close to it. And it doesn't seem to care. It's gorgeous. Wow. Like utterly ridiculous that you can get that close. That is insane. He just munched a lizard. That is hilarious. He's so not scared. He's just chilling. Oh, what a beautiful animal. Oh, right back up. Jeez. Look how close he is. Oh my goodness, what is he eating?
Come back to the face.
No, he's gonna hump your face. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, that one's got something.
Ils sont plus beaux que ceux qui sont